Welcome back to another video, and today we're diving in to talk about how to become an ICP millionaire. ICP has been getting a lot of hype lately in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and some of it is definitely warranted. We did drop another price prediction very recently on ICP. You can check that out on the channel. But today we're discussing how many ICP do you need to become a millionaire this bull cycle. Before we jump into the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below if you enjoy the content. Hit that subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world if you subscribed. And hit that bell notification icon so you can get updated with similar videos and other price predictions. We're dropping multiple videos every single week on the channel, so you're going to want to get notified when they drop so you can stay on top of the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency ecosystem and hit your crypto goals. So diving into the internet computer protocol, what is it? Why is there so much hype around it? And how much do you need in order to become a millionaire this bull cycle? Well, what ICP is really aiming to do is basically create this new protocol for the internet in a Web3 world, which allows people to take more control of their data, become sovereign individuals on the internet, and using blockchain as a service for open internet services, and allowing you to do that in a way where you have your own Web3 identification and making everything and all actions that you do inherently Web3 native. There are some other big narratives that we're going to discuss, like decentralized physical infrastructure here for ICP as well. But basically what they want to do is, allow individuals take back control of their sovereign identity on Web3. And from a development perspective, making it extremely easy, cost-effective, and scalable to build decentralized applications and make use of decentralized physical infrastructure for developers who want to create apps and for businesses who want to create decentralized businesses on the blockchain. They also are building it out to be native to interoperable with other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So that from day one, basically what we're getting is a scalable native multi-chain solution if you are using the internet computer. In their own words, they describe the internet computer as an autonomous serverless cloud functionality to the public internet, making it possible to build almost any system or service entirely on a decentralized network using canister software and evolution of smart contracts within the ICP ecosystem. And we mentioned DePIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure, and for me, this is one of the biggest areas that ICP has a very good value proposition or very good value add here. And what this graph is showing us here is basically how Amazon Web3 and Amazon Amazon AWS and Amazon S3 are a huge player in the server world, or in the centralized server world. So hundreds and thousands of the applications that you use on a daily, weekly, yearly basis are running on AWS. They're running on Amazon cloud servers. And what this graph is basically representing is how the evolution of decentralized storage, decentralized serverless cloud is going to significantly reduce the costs of cloud storage over the next few years as we begin to decentralize that cloud storage and use other solutions like Filecoin, Arweave storage, and obviously ICP. ICP is not on this particular graph, but they are one of the larger players in this decentralized physical infrastructure narrative. And we can see here what this is showing us is basically the monthly storage costs per terabyte of storage, currently sitting at something like $23 with using a solution, a centralized solution like Amazon S3. However, we can see that with other solutions like Filecoin, Arweave, we're getting down into, the cents, like 20 cents for a terabyte of storage on a monthly basis using something like Filecoin. So ICP is also leading the way with this decentralized physical infrastructure narrative, and if they can begin to capture even a small percentage of the Amazon AWS and Amazon S3 market, there is a lot of room for growth when it comes to using decentralized storage on serverless cloud. So this is probably the biggest narrative, and we spoke about this in our price prediction video for ICP. You can check out that video separately, but when we did that price prediction for ICP, we created a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario. What we have here is the current snapshot of ICP as of today, April 10th, 2024. We're sitting at a price per ICP token of $15.85. We are up over 200% year over year. When we made our price prediction in a bear case scenario, we said that ICP could be hitting a price of about $57, $58. In a base case scenario, we could be getting closer to about $87. And then in a bull case scenario, we could be getting closer to about $124 US. Again, plugging in different variables here, but in a bull case scenario, what we're seeing is that ICP could hit around the total crypto market cap could hit around $8 trillion US. If ICP achieves about a 0.75% dominance, that gives it a $60 billion overall market cap, and then dividing that by about 485 million ICP tokens that we estimate to be in circulation by the middle of 2025, that gives us our price target here in a bull case scenario. So zooming out, what does all of that mean, and how many ICP tokens do you actually need in order to achieve millionaire status this bull cycle? Well, we're going to look at a couple different scenarios, and in a base case scenario, firstly, again, if you remember, our price prediction for our base case is about $86.59. Zooming in here, if we have $1 million target or goal of becoming a millionaire with ICP alone, what we can do then is that gives us dividing that by our $86.59 price target, that gives us 11,549 ICP that we would need to own. So if we need to own 11,549 ICP at a price of $86.59 to become a millionaire, then purchasing 11,549 ICP at today's price of $15.85 means that we would need to invest about $183,000 today, April 10th, 2024, in order to purchase and own 11,549 ICP, and then targeting a sale price of about $86.59 by the middle of 2025, when we estimate that bull cycle to be. That gives us our millionaire status. So that is our base case scenario. If we look at our bull case scenario, what we would need is we would only need about 8,083 ICP tokens at a price of $123 to hit our $1 million price target. If we need 8,083 ICP, multiplying that by today's price of $15.85, that gives us an investment needed today of $128,000 in order to acquire just over 8,000 ICP. Again, targeting that sale price of $123 by the middle of 2025 gives us our $1 million scenario. Finally, we've done one extra uber bullish case scenario, saying that ICP could reach heights even closer to $160. Some people would say we're going to $200. We're being a little more conservative, even though this is an uber bull case scenario. If ICP reaches a price of $160, that means we would only need 6,250 ICP in order to reach our millionaire status. If we need to purchase 6,250 ICP at today's prices, that requires an investment of just under $100,000. We need to invest $99,062 today at an ICP price of $15.85 in order to acquire 6,250 ICP, and then setting up a sell target for $160 by around the middle of 2025 gives us our $1 million if we sell all of our tokens at that price and cash in on 6,250 ICP. So that is how many ICP you need in order to become a millionaire this bull cycle. An investment possibly of just under $100,000 and a sale price eventually of 160 would give you that millionaire status. Obviously, that is slightly over a 10x from today's prices. If we go back to our price predictions, it's still very possible that happens. Even in a base case scenario, $183,000 investment turning into $1 million in the space of maybe 18 months is not a bad ROI. Again, none of this is financial advice. Of course, it is a thought experiment to think about how much you would need to invest in ICP today in order to attain millionaire status by the peak of this bull cycle. So let us know in the comments below, are you bullish on ICP yourself? Are you holding Internet Computer as part of your bull run portfolio? Let us know, drop a comment below to keep us in the loop on what you are investing in. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button on your way out. Let us know if you're an ICP bull in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe as well. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers. We're getting very close to our goal. And it would mean the world if you subscribed and hit that bell notification icon so you can get updated when we drop new videos on the channel pretty much every single day at this point. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.